Arnulf of Leuven, Salve Caput Cruentatum, Episode 2. We continue now with the second stanza. Salve quies dulcis vultus, immutatus et incultus, immutavit suum florem, totus versus in palorem, quem caeli tremit curia. The meter has already been explained in the first episode, but we will review it quickly here. Each line has 8 beats, salve quies dulcis vultus, and it is roughly a trochaic meter. The trochee is the long, followed by the short syllable. So each of these has 4, and they rhyme, vultus incultus florem palorem, these two rhyming, and these two. So a little bit different from the first stanza, which you can find in the first episode. And the last line, quem caeli tremit curia, also 8, but this word is going to rhyme with the last line of the previous stanza, which you may remember ended with illita. So facie sputis illita, that was the last word of line 5, which corresponds here. So the rhythm, the poetry, it's pretty sophisticated. Now, what about the meaning? We begin again with salve, which is second person singular. It's a present imperative active, just as the first stanza began, and it is from the second conjugation verb salveo salvere. Hail the one whose, quies, masculine singular and genitive, referring to Christ, whose face or expression vultus is sweet. So vultus is masculine singular and nominative. Whose sweet face or whose sweet expression, unchanged, immutatus, also masculine singular nominative, and unkempt, incultus. That means not made to look better than it is. So these are all masculine singular nominatives, these 3, namely dulcis, immutatus, and incultus, and they modify vultus right here. Vultus is a 4th declension noun, so the nominative is vultus, the genitive us, and then we mark the gender as masculine. And that's going to turn out to be the subject of immutavit. So we say, hail the one whose sweet expression, unchanged and unkempt, or not made to look better than it is, has altered its bloom, suum florem. So immutavit is a 3rd singular. It is moreover perfect, indicative, and active. It's from the first conjugation verb immuto, immutare, like so, and it's taking florem, masculine singular accusative, as object, with suum modifying it, has changed its own bloom. The whole of it, totus, has been turned into a ghastly white color, or a pallor. So totus and versus, masculine singular and nominative, because they are referring to vultus, which is masculine singular nominative. And then the final line of this stanza, number 10, the face at which, quem, so masculine singular accusative, again referring to vultus, the expression of Christ, quies. Hail the one whose expression, it is the one at which, caeli curia. So here is our subject, feminine singular and nominative, and the caeli, masculine singular genitive. The caeli curia is the court of heaven, the one at whose presence or at whose appearance the court of heaven tremit, trembles. So this is 3rd singular, it's a present indicative active, and the verb is 3rd conjugation, tremo, tremere, like so. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.